Hi student. So in exercise number 1.2, so we have problem number 15. The question is, for what value of n or the nth term of two APs? There are two APs is given, that is 63, 65, 67 dash 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 and 3, 10, 7 dash 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 is equal. So this is the question they are asking, for what value of n, okay, in the place of n, the both the AP's value should be same. So student, first you understand this concept. So I will do manually this problem, that is, so position number 1 we have a in a first AP, in first AP what is given, that is 63, 65, 67. So this is the position number 1, 2, 3. Okay. So similarly 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, and so. Okay. So student, here first you write down this series. So what is the common difference in the first AP? So that is, common difference is 65 minus 63 is 2. The common difference 2. Okay. So you go on adding this value. 63 plus 2 is 65, 65 plus 2 is 67, 67 plus 2 is 69, 69 plus 2 is 71, 71 plus 2 is 73, 73 plus 2 is 75, 75 plus 2 is 77. So you go on adding this series, that is 79, 81, 83, 85, 87 and 89. So students, here we are adding the common difference to this AP. Okay. So this is the first AP. Second AP. So what is the AP is given, that is 3, 10, 17. So what is the common difference here? 10 minus 3 is 7. Okay. So here they are added the 7 for the in this series. Okay. So 7, 3 plus 7 is 10, 10 plus 7 is 17, 17 plus 7 is 24, 24 plus 7 is 31, 31 plus 7 is 38, 45, 52, 59, 66, 73, 80, 87 and so. Okay. 3 is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, 5 term, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You observe the question, what value of n these both the APs at this place of 13, both values are equal. So we have to find the value of n here. Okay. So this is the concept of your question. So I can start solve this equation as per your theory. Okay. So students, here I will take first solution, 63, 65, 67. It is the AP is given. Okay. So here first term is 63. What is the common difference? Common difference is A2 minus A1 is equals to 65 minus 63 is equals to 2. Okay. So we have to find out the value of nth term of this AP. So what is the formula for the AP? That is, an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. You just put the value in the above equation. So we have to calculate the value of an. So first term is 63 plus n we have to find out minus 1, d is 2. So an is equals to 63 plus 2n minus 2. So, an is equals to 63 minus 2 is 61 plus 2n. So, this is equation number 1. Similarly, you take down the second AP, that is 3 comma 10 comma 17. Here first term is 3, common difference is a2 minus a1, 10 minus 3 is equals to 7. Now, for the nth term of AP, the formula is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is equals to, what is first term? 3 plus n is, we have to find out the value of n, d is 7. So, an is equals to 3 plus 7n minus 7. an is equals to 3 minus 7 is minus 4 plus 7n. So, this is equation number 2. So, student, if it is that nth term of these APs are equal to each other, equating the equations, okay, that is equating both these equations, we get. So, I will equate equation number 1 and equation number 2. Okay. So, I will write it here once again, 61 plus 2n is equals to, I am equating with the equation 2, that is minus 4 plus 7n. So, I will rearrange this above equation like 2n. So, I will take this 7 into left hand side. So, this will becomes minus 7n is equals to, so this will becomes minus 4 minus 61. I will take this 61 into right hand side. So, that we got the one side we got the value of n's and one side we got the value of numbers. Okay. So, here 5n is equals to, that is minus 5n is equals to minus 65. So, minus minus cancel each other, 5 n is equals to 65. So, n is equals to 65 divided by 5. So, students, here, so n is equals to 13. So, your value is 13. At value n is equal to 13, we got the both the numbers are equal. Therefore, 13th term of both the APs are equal to each other. Therefore, 13th exercise number 1.2, question number 16, determine the AP whose third term is 16 and the 17th term is exceeds the 5th term by 12. So, we have to find the AP. Okay. So, students, here the question is, first you write down the question in terms of equations. So, how to write these words in terms of equation? So, students, first the given is determine the AP whose third term is 16, that is A3 is 16. Okay. So, third term is 16, third term is 16. Okay. So, next the 7th term is exceeds 5th term by 12. So, A7 is equals to 7th term exceeds 5th term by 12, that is term by term. Okay. So, this is the given expressions we are writing in terms of equations. Okay. Now, we have to solve the AP. Now, we have to find the AP value. So, students, so I will take down first one. So, you rewrite this given A3 is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is 16 is equals to a plus, so n is 3, 3 minus 1 into d, 16 is equals to a plus 2d. So, this is equation number 1. To make it, this is equation number 1. Okay. Now, you have to solve this equation. So, what is A7? A7 directly you can write, that is a plus 6d is equals to, is it right? A7 we can directly write a plus 6d if you put in the equation, that is an is equals to a plus n minus 1. So, similarly, what is A5? A5 will be written as a plus 4d. So, now directly we write down the 12, that is plus 12. Okay. Now, a cancel each other, 6d is equals to 4d plus 12. I will take this d into left hand side, 6d minus 4d is equals to 12. What is 6d minus 4d is, that is 2d is equals to 12, d is equals to 12 divided by 2. So, that this 2 becomes division. So, d is equals to, that is 6. So, we got the value of common difference. You put into the equation number 1. So, that is 16 is equals to a plus 2. What is d? D is 6. So, 16 is equals to a plus 12. So, I will take this 12 into left hand side, 16 minus 12 is equals to a. So, students, so this is equals to 4a. So, a is equals to 4. Now, we got the value of first term and common difference value. So, it is very easy to find out the AP. So, how to write AP? First term is 4, your next term is, add the 6 common difference, you will get 10. So, 10 plus 6 is 16, 16 plus 6 is 22 and so on. Is it clear? So, this is the AP. AP is 4 comma 10 comma 16 comma 22 and so on. The question number 17, find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3 comma 8 comma 13 dash 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 253. So, this is the question is given. So, here first you understand the concept in this question. The concept is, we have to find the 20th term from the last term, okay, not from the first term. So, that is series is 3 comma 8 comma 13 comma dash 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 253. The question is 20th term from the last term of the AP. So, normally we are considering this is the first term, second term, third term, but he was asking from the last term what is the 20th term. Okay. So, this is your question. Okay. So, now what happens? This is first term. So, next is second term, third term, fourth term, dash dash dash, we have to find out the 20th term. First you write down this series in reverse manner, that is 253 comma, here the common difference is, 5, but when you write the reverse manner, so your common difference is minus 5. Okay. So, first term is 253, second term is 248 comma, third term is 243 comma dash dash dash, you write, go on writing. So, it will becomes 13 comma 8 comma 3. Now, so this is the first term, second term, third term, dash dash dash, we have to find out the value of 20th term. Okay. So, students, solution, A is equals to 253, the common difference, D is equals to 248 minus 253 is equals to minus 4. This is the common difference. Okay. So, n is equals to 20. So, what is the formula? A20 is equals to A plus 20 minus 1 into D. A20 is equals to, first term is 253 plus 20 minus 1, D is minus 5. A20 is equals to 253 plus 19 into minus 5. A20 is equals to 253 minus 95 when you multiply both the things in the bracket. So, A20 is equals to 158. So, student, this is the answer. A20 is equals to 158 from the last. So, therefore, 20th term from the last term is 158 is answer. Question number 18. The sum of the 4th and 8th term of an AP is 24 and the sum of 6th and 10th term is 44. Find the first 3 term of an AP. So, student, here the question is, first what it is given, first 4th 8th term is 24 and 6th and 10th term is 44. Find the first 3 AP. Okay. So, student, here I will write down the equations. First 4 and 8 term is 24. A4 and A8 is equals to 24 and sum of 6th and 10th is 44, that is A6 plus A10 is equals to 44. So, I can write A4 is A plus 3D, A8 is A plus 7D is equals to 24. So, A is 2A plus 7 plus 3 is 10D is equals to 24. So, this is equation number 1. Similarly, A6. So, what is A6? A6 I will write A plus 5D plus A10 is A plus 9D is equals to 44. So, A is 2A plus 9 plus 5 is 14, D is equals to 44. This is equation number 2. Subtracting equation number 1 and 2, that is equation number 2 is 2A plus 14 D is equals to 44. Equation number 1 is 2A plus 10D is equals to 24. So, I will take minus in the equation number 1. So, this 2A cancel each other. So, this is 4D is equals to 20, D is equals to 20 divided by 4. So, D is equals to 5. So, common difference we got the value is. Now, I will keep this D 5 is equals to equation number 1. So, what is equation number 1? Equation number 1 is 2A plus 10D is equals to 24. What is the D value here? We have to calculate the value of A. D is 10 into 5 is equals to 24. 2A plus 50 is equals to 24. 2A is equals to, I will take this 50 into that side, 24 minus 50. So, 2A is equals to minus 26. A is equals to minus 26 divided by 2. So, A is equals to minus 13. So, student, first term is minus 13. Okay. So, we have to calculate the value of first 3 terms. Okay. So, here first term is minus 13. We have to add up common difference 5. So, your next term is 13 plus 5 is minus 8. Next term is minus 8 plus 5 is minus 3. So, this is the minus 13 comma minus 18 comma minus 3 is your first 3 terms in the AP. Hi dear students, here the question number 19. The Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of 5,000 and he received increment of 200 each year. In which year he did his income reaches to 7,000. The question is asking in which year did his income is reaches to 7,000. Annual salary is 5,000 and he will increment of 200, though first term is 5,000, second term is increment of 200. So, third term is increment of, okay. So, every year the increment is 200 increased by the common difference D is 200. Okay. So, now we have to calculate the in which year you will get 7,000 salary. So, I will write A is equals to 5,000, that is first term. D is equals to common difference is 200. So, we know the formula A n is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So, what is A? Here we have to calculate the value of n, that is A n is given, that is 7,000 is equals to, I will write down here A n is equals to 7,000. What is first term? First term is 5,000 plus we have to calculate the value of n, D is common difference is 200. So, 7,000 minus 5,000 is equals to n minus 1 into D is 200. So, 7 minus 5 is 2000 is equals to n minus 1 into 200. So, I will take this 200 into left hand side. So, 2000 divided by 200, this 2 cancel each other. So, answer is 10 n minus 1. So, 10 is equals to n minus 1. So, 10 you will take this 1 into left hand side, this will becomes 1. So, this is equals to n. So, n is equals to 10 plus 1 is 11. So, at the 11th year he will get the salary of 7,000. So, therefore, 11th year his salary will be 7,000. So, question number 20, Ramkali saved 5 rupees in the first week of a year and increased her weekly salary by 1.75. If in the nth week her weekly saving becomes 20.75, find the value of n. Okay. See students, here the question is Ramkali is saving 5 rupees, saved 5 rupees in the first week and increased her weekly saving by 1.75. So, she is increased by 1.75 of her salary. So, it will becomes 6.75. So, what is the next one? Next term will be again add up 1.75. Your next term is similarly you go on adding the 1.7, 1.75, 1.75 at which term you will get the value is 20.75. Okay. So, for example, it is a first term, second term, third term, fourth term, 5 term, 6 term dash dash dash, which term you will get 20.75. So, this is the question, students. We have to solve by using the formula. So, in the given solution, A is equals to 5. This is the first term. The common difference is 1.75. So, A n value is given, that is what is A n? A n is 20.75. So, we have to calculate the value of n in the formula, that is A n is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. So, what is A n? A n is 20.75 is equals to, what is first term? 5 plus n is, we have to calculate the value of n, D is common difference, that is 1.75. So, student, 20.75 minus 5, I will take this 5 into left hand side, that will becomes minus is equals to n minus 1 into 1.75. So, this is equals to 15.75 is equals to n minus 1 into 1.75. So, this term I will take in the left hand side, it becomes division, that is 15.75 divided by 1.75 is equals to n minus 1. So, student, you can simplify this one, it will become, so just to multiply 100, so this will becomes 15.1575 divided by 175 is equals to n minus 1. So, if you simplify this one, it will becomes 9. So, 9 is equals to n minus 1. So, I will take this minus 1 into left hand side, 9 plus 1 is equals to n. So, n is equals to 10. So, student, at the 10th place you will get 20.75 value. Okay. So, student, this will complete your 1.5 exercises. So, all the exercise I done here. So, any doubts you do message in a comment box, I will reply. Thank you and thank you very much.